Hello everyone, welcome to Topperwise. Now in this video we will see the answer key of the XAT 2026 paper. It will be the complete answer key. We will see the answers by question IDs. So one by one I will select the answers and you can match your response sheet with this answer key. Let's start with the very first question. The answer of the first question will be C 35. Next question. The answer will be 1980A. The next question, the third question. In the third question, the answer will be 2500, which is C. In fourth question, the answer will be again C. 237500. For the fifth question, the answer will be C, which is 320 meters. For the sixth question, the answer will be A here, 21 by 11. For seventh question, the answer will be A again, 50 under root 3 minus 1. For the eighth question, the answer is A again, 7 lakh. So for the ninth question, the answer will be C here, 7. For the 10th question, answer will be B here, 19. For 11th, the answer is E here. For 12th question, the answer will be C here, 16. For 13th question, the answer will be D here, 4 minutes 30 seconds. The question is 14. The answer for this will be B, 40 root 3 plus 1 meter. For 15, the answer is D, 48 will be the answer. For 16, the answer is E, 4 square centimeter. For 17, the answer is C, 1 minute 48 seconds. For 18, the answer will be C, second only. So 2 only. For 19th, the answer will be B, 21,115 rupees. For 20, the answer will be A here. For 21, option C will be correct. For 22, option B will be correct. So here we have completed that section. Now move to 23. Okay, for question 23, the option B will be correct here, 20, 25 and 10. Moving to question number 24. For 24, D option will be correct here. For 25, option E will be correct here. And for 26, option B will be correct here. For 27, option E will be correct here. For 28, option C will be correct here. And then we move for 29. For 29, option B will be correct here. Moving to 30. For question number 30, the option A is correct. Moving to 31. For 31, option D is correct. Now moving to 32. For 32, option D is correct actually. And if we are moving to 33, for 33, option D is correct. Moving to 34. For 34, option A is actually correct here. For 35, if we see, option C is correct here. And option C for for 36, option A is correct here. Then we move to 37, and for 37, actually answer C is correct here. Moving to 38. For 38, question number 38, option D is correct here. Moving to question number 39. For question number 39, option B will be the correct answer. Moving to question number 40. For question number 40, option A is correct here. Now, moving to 41. For 41, option E will be the correct option. Then we will move to question number 42. For question number 42, option B will be the correct answer. Now moving to question number 43. For question number 43, option E is correct here. E is correct here. For question number 44, option A will be the correct answer. For question number 45, option D will be the correct option here. For question number 46, if you see, option B is correct here. For question number 47, for 47, the E option is correct here. For question number 48, option C is correct here. For question number 49, option D will be correct here. For question number 50, option A is correct here. Now moving to question number 51. For 51, option E is correct here. For question number 52, option D is correct here. For 53, option C is correct here. For 54, option C is correct here. For 55, option E will be the correct option. Now moving to question number 56. For 56, option A is correct here. For 57, if we see, the option B is correct. Moving to question number 58, the option D is correct here. Moving to question number 59, that For 59, B option will be correct. Moving to question number 60. For question number 60, A option is the correct answer. For 61, if we are moving to question number 61, the option C is correct here. For 62, option C will be the correct answer. For 63, option E will be the correct answer. For 64, option A will be the correct answer. For 65, option C will be the correct answer. For 66, option D will be the correct option. For 67, option C will be the correct answer. Now let's move to the question number 68. For question number 68, the option E is the correct answer here. Now let's move to question number 69. For 69, option A is correct again. Now let's move to uh, question number 70. For question number 70, option C will be the correct option. Now moving to 71. Question number 71, option B will be the correct answer. Moving to 72. For 72, if we see, the option E will be the correct answer. For 73, if we see, for 73, option A will be the correct answer. If we are going to 74, for option 74, option E will be the correct answer. For 75 here, option A is the correct answer out there. If we are moving to the next section, which is general knowledge, for GK, question number 1 is for question number 1, option A is correct here. Moving to the next question, where question number 2, for question number 2, option C is correct here. Now moving to the third question. For the third question, option E will be the correct answer. Moving to the next question, question number 4. For question number 4, option D is the correct answer, India. Moving to the next question. For the next question, option A will be the correct answer. Now for the next question, question number 6. For question number 6, option D is the correct answer. For question number 7, uh, if we see, the option B is correct here, Piyush Pandey. Now moving to the next question. So for question number 8, option A will be the correct option here. Now let's move to the next question, question number 9. For question number 9, option C will be the correct answer. Moving to question number 10. For question number 10, option C will be the right answer. Moving to the next question, which is question number 11. For question number 11, option B is the correct answer. Moving to the next question, question number 12. For question number 12, answer E is the correct answer. Option E is the correct answer. And for question number 13, option D is the correct answer here. For question number 14, option B is the correct answer. For question number 15 here, option B again is the correct answer. For question number 16, option A is the correct answer. For question number 17, option E is the correct answer. For question number 18, option C is the correct answer. For question number 19, option C is the correct answer. Uh, I said option number C is the correct answer. For question number 20, which is the last question, option E, Deepti Sharma, is the correct answer. That's all about this video. We have completed all the questions of this XAT 2026 paper, and this is the whole answer key of your question paper. I hope you have matched all the questions with your response sheet and most of your questions are correct. Good luck for your college search and have a good day. Thanks a lot for watching this video till the end.